Everyone wants 100x gains. The dream is simple. One lucky trade. One trade that changes your life. One moment when everything clicks. But here is the truth. Chasing 100x dreams is what holds most traders back. Because trading is not about luck. At least not the kind of luck you are thinking of. Naval Ravikant, a famous investor and entrepreneur, once said that there are 4 types of luck. If you understand them, you will realize why the best traders don't rely on blind luck, they create their own luck. So these are 4 types of luck and how they apply to trading. First one is blind luck, the lottery mindset. This is the random luck, it just happens. You throw money into a random trade or coin and it somehow goes 100x. Or you enter the market at the perfect time without any real knowledge. It feels amazing, but it's also dangerous. You know why? Because most traders who win by blind luck lose it all just fast. You don't control this kind of luck, so don't bet your future on it. Second type of luck is luck from hustling, from creating opportunities. This type of luck happens when you put yourself out there, you study charts every day, you try new strategies, you take small, smart trades consistently. Over time, you can start finding better setups because you are constantly in the game. You are not waiting for luck, you are increasing your chance of getting lucky. The best traders don't just sit around hoping. They stay active, patient and disciplined. Third type of luck is luck from preparation, seeing what others don't. This is when skills meets the opportunity. You study the markets for years, you understand the patterns most people overlook. When the perfect trade appears, you recognize it before anyone else. To the outside world, it might look like you just got lucky, but in reality you were just prepared. The difference between a beginner trader and experienced one is a beginner sees luck as a random and pro sees luck as an opportunity they've been training for. And fourth type of luck is luck from unique character, becoming the magnet. The final type of luck is the most powerful. It's when you become the kind of person that luck finds. You have unique trading style. You build a solid reputation in the trading community. People come to you with opportunities. At this level, you don't chase trades. Good trades find you. This is where the best traders operate. They are not gambling, they are not hoping, they attract the right opportunities because of who they become. So now that we understand luck, let's go back to the main question. Should you chase 100x trades? No. And here is why. Most traders who get 100x win can repeat it. Consistency beats lucky wins every time. The best traders win slowly, but they win for life. If you focus on becoming better trader, luck will eventually find you. But if you chase just fast money, you will probably end up losing everything. If you want really to succeed in trading, stop looking for one lucky trade. Start putting in the work daily. Learn to recognize real opportunities and become the kind of trader who attracts lucks. Luck isn't something you wait for, it's something you earn. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in the next video.